The Sare Gubu Students Association recently held its 12th annual sensitization forum, a flagship event that unites natives from across the country to spearhead development initiatives for the village and its people. This year's forum was held under the theme Building a Community Free from Gender-Based Violence. Since its inception in 2013, the association has utilized this platform to discuss diverse development topics, allowing educated youth to plow back their knowledge and expertise into the community. The current president of the association, Tijan Biba, delivered an inspirational keynote address. He highlighted the significant achievements recorded over the years and emphasized the vital role natives play in both local and national development. Our community's progress is reflected in the key positions Sare Gubu natives now hold within the socio-economic landscape of the country, Ba noted. He further praised his predecessors for laying a solid foundation that continues to improve livelihoods, while expressing profound gratitude to the partners who have supported their mission since the beginning.
Yes. Previously, we conducted sensitization on the importance of the education for the girl child, the importance of preserving the environment, not cutting down trees. We have also conducted sensitization on the importance of obtaining national documents for citizens, and we have seen a great improvement in that regard. So, that aside, we also support community-led projects. We conduct replanting exercises. We also projects. For example, the buildings that you are seeing here, we realized that at some point the school had issues with furniture and also enough classrooms. So we took it upon ourselves as residents of the community and also student leaders to meet the stakeholders, MRC Holland Foundation, to talk to them about the situation in this village, and you can see how improved and also developed this school is. That is not the only thing that we do. We do a lot of things in the community.
Call to action against GBV. Basiru Elba, a legal practitioner and the association's founding president in 2013, reaffirmed the group's commitment to social welfare. Addressing this year's theme, he asserted that gender-based violence is a collective responsibility. GBV must be everybody's business. Concerted efforts are required from every member of this community to fight this menace, he concluded. The guest speaker, Ibrahim Kinte, provided a deep dive into the legalities of the issue, highlighting the various forms of gender-based violence, potential community-led solutions, the legal consequences for perpetrators.
Because if you look at gender-based violence, it is all about how do we ensure that we participate in ensuring that we all enjoy our rights, our developments, and our fundamental dignities. However, this issue has been very much endemic, and it is already deep-rooted in our society, and there is a need for us to come together collectively to discuss so that we have a way forward in order for us to end it at once. Gender-based violence is not only just physical, but it takes so many forms such as sexual, emotional, psychological, and economic abuse. We must also act as leaders. We are all leaders by influence, and for that matter, we must be able to play our roles and responsibilities to say no to violence in all its forms.
The forum was not only a platform for dialogue, but also a celebration of culture and excellence. Local elders commended the students for creating awareness that has positively impacted the village's social fabric. The event, which drew attendees from surrounding villages, the diaspora and urban centers, featured educational dramas illustrating the consequences of GBV, traditional cultural dances, gift presentation to local students, award ceremonies recognizing individuals for their outstanding contributions to the village. Khadija Jallo reporting.